Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I live in Utah up against these Wasatch Mountains, and my yard is beautiful and iris right now. But I'm getting on here because I'm so excited. I reached 1,000 subscribers because of all of you. Thank you so much for your support. It means so much. Thank you if you've subscribed, if you shared, if you've liked, if you've commented, or if you've just viewed my videos. I really appreciate it. And I'm just going to give you a 30-second tour on some of my iris in the front yard, and I'll do a bigger one in a different video. But I'm just so excited. Thank you guys. Bye.